Hello everyone, this is the next part of Unit 4th operator in Java. In this video, we will discuss about the types of operator, one types of operator, that is relational operator. In the previous video, we will discuss about the arithmetic operator, types of arithmetic, unary, binary and ternary, the question related to the unary, binary or also the question related to the ternary operator. So for the arithmetic operator, please watch my previous video, and today we will discuss about the relational operator. So firstly we discuss about the what is the relational operator. The relational operator, that is show the relation between operator, show the relation between different operand. Suppose here is a two values, there is A and B. The value of A is 9, the value of B is 6. We have to compare these two value. We have to compare this two value. So we use to sign that is greater than or less than. If A is greater than B or A is less than B, this is the comparison between A and B. This is the comparison between A and B by using the less than or greater than sign. This less than or this greater than sign is called relational operator. This is the relational operator. Less than, greater than is a relational operator. What is relational operator? Relational operator, that means show the relation between operand. Operand, that means here A and B are a operand. A and B are a operand. So we compare these two value A and B by using the operator. That operator is called a relational operator. So there is a different relational operator is there. First one is less than. This is called less than sign. Less than, that means it check the value that is less than or not. Here suppose I am written A less than B. That means A is less than. A is less than. Second one is greater than sign. This is the greater than sign. If I am written A greater than B, that means here this is the greater than sign. This is the greater than sign opened in A. So here A is a greater. A is a greater. Next, less than or equal to. Less than or equal to. Suppose I am written 4 less than equal to 4 or 3 less than equal to 6. What is the meaning of that? These both are true. Both are true. Both are true. Why these both are true? Because in the relational operator there is two sign, less than or equal to. Listen, in a mathematical this sign is written by this form, but in a computer I am written this is in this form. This is the Java symbol. No one use this sign for the less than equal to. This is a wrong method. And also for equal to, in a mathematical form written that like that, equal to, greater than, but in a Java we use like that. So you also use like that sign here. So 4 less than equal to 4, 3 less than equal to 6. So 4 is equal to but not a less than. 4 is equal to but not a less than. Here also 3 is less than but not a equal to. 3 is less than but not a equal to. So there is a two thing. First is true, second one is false. Here first is true, second one is false. If anyone is true, if anyone is true, anyone. If anyone is true, that means the result is true. For example, if I am written like that, 3 less than equal to 1. So firstly we check less than. Less than. 3 is less than 1? No, this is a false. 3 equal to 1? No, this is the false. So answer of this is false. But like that I am written here 3 less than equal to 3. This is a false, but this is a true. Result is true. Again for next, suppose 3 less than equal to 9. So this is a less than true, but this is false. So it is also a true. If any one is true, so the result is true. If both are false, then that means result are false. Same for the greater than sign. Same for the greater than or equal to sign. If anyone is false or anyone is true, that means result is true. But in the both is false, the result is false. For example, 19 greater than equal to 3. In this case, greater than this is true, but this is a false. So the result is true, because in both sign this is a true, but if anyone is true, so the result is true. Equal to, that means check both are equal or not. Suppose 4 equal to 4. 4 equal to 4. Both are equal, so the result is true. Next one is not equal to. Not equal to, that means 4 not equal to 4. When 4 is really not equal to 4, no. 4 is equal to false. That means this is the false. This is the false. So let's see the more question related to the this operator. Here is the some question. So we have to put the answer in the form of true or false. True or false. Here is that A is equal to 9, B is equal to 7. Firstly, we check this. 9 less than 7, this is, and next 9 greater than 7. What is the answer of that? 9 is really less than 7? No, 9 is greater than. So this is the false. This is the false. Next, 9 greater than 7. 9 greater than 7. Yes, 9 is a greater than 7. So the result is true. Next, 10, 20. Here, firstly we use 10 less than equal to 20 or 10 greater than equal to 20. In this question, here is a 10. 10 is really less than 20. Yes, 10 is less than 20. So it is a true, but not equal to. So this is a false. For this one, 10 is greater than 20. No, this is false, because 10 is less than 20. Or 10 is equal to 20. No, this is also false. In both case, there is, in this way, it is one true or one false. So the result is true. But in that case, there is both are false. So the result is false. Clear that? So if you have any doubt in this part or this video or more videos, so please write on that video into comment section. Here, m is equal to 10, n is equal to 10. Both are take a value that is 10 or 10. So firstly check this one. If the value of a is 10, equal to 10. In the mathematical form, for checking the value a equal to b, use the equal to sign. But in the programming language, for check the value both are equal or not, we use a double equal to sign. This is in a this is in Java programming language or other programming language, or this is in the mathematical form. So in a Java programming language, we use to double equal sign for the checking of value. Here 10 equal to 10. Yes, 10 is equal to the 10. So the result is true. Next, if the value of a is 10, not equal to 10. What it say? This is the not equal to sign. So the 10 is not equal to. That means 10 is not equal to. What it say? It say 10 not equal to 10. But this is a false, because 10 is equal to 10. So the result of this question is false. Let's take another example of related to the not equal to. Suppose 4 not equal to 3. 4, I am written 4 not equal to 3. Is that really 4 is not equal to 3? Yes, both are not equal. So the result is true. If both are equal, result is also true. If I am written like that, 4 not equal to 4, this is the false. Please try to understand this. What is the use of equal to, not equal to? Not equal to, that means if the number is not equal, then give the answer in the form of true, like that. If the both number is not equal, then give the true. If the number is equal, then give the false. But for the equal to sign, this is opposite. If the number is equal, give the true. If the number is not equal, give the false. These are the questions related to the relational operator. In the next video, we will discuss about the logical operator and the question related to the logical operator. For more video, please watch my previous, for the more understanding, watch my previous video and subscribe my channel for the next video and press the bell icon for the notification.